I have two great sons, two very premature sons. Working for a company like Sanofi means everything because those are the medicines that my boys needed. My name is Monique Vessey, and I'm currently working as a site supply chain transformation leader. The way that I grew up, it definitely shaped me in the way that I work every day. It drives me, it keeps me persistent to make sure that I'm trying hard, I'm trying my best at Sanofi. I've had several lives, and each one of them has taught me something new that prepared me for the next one. Every job that is connected to the supply chain is important. Here we are in this warehouse, and this warehouse supplies so many important operations. In the end, it is to ensure reliable supply through our plants to get to our patients. Being a woman of color was always on my mind, but I kind of don't think about it now. I think about more of what I'm bringing to the table and letting my work speak for itself. For me, diversity means everything. We are a worldwide organization. We serve patients across the globe. Our employees should reflect the same. You get so much learning about other people's cultures. Each individual voice and idea matters. Let's hear them all. Let's come up with the best ideas across the organization to come up with the best solutions for our patient population. My advice to women, we all fit, and the female voices are heard. We need more women to speak up and show what you can do.